In the grand tradition of the Philippine Navy's finest vessels, a new legend is being prepared to take shape. A ship named after one of the greatest Filipino patriots in history, General Antonio Luna. The BRP Antonio Luna LD-603 is not just a ship, it is a promise, a symbol of progress, and a testament to the Philippines' growing strength at sea. Planned as the third strategic sealift vessel of the Tarlac-class, the BRP Antonio Luna follows in the proud wake of her predecessors, BRP Tarlac LD-601 and BRP Davao del Sur LD-602. Both have proven themselves in military operations, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions across the archipelago. Now LD-603 is envisioned to elevate that legacy to a new level, more modern, more capable, and more ready for the challenges of a rapidly changing world. The ship's namesake, General Antonio Luna, was known for his fierce patriotism, military genius, and unyielding discipline. His spirit of excellence and courage is exactly what this vessel is designed to embody. Once completed, BRP Antonio Luna will be a floating fortress of steel, technology, and Filipino pride. Under the Navy's modernization plan, LD-603 is expected to be equipped with state-of-the-art navigation, communication, and defense systems. Like her sister ships, she will feature a vast flight deck capable of handling helicopters for search and rescue and supply missions, as well as space for armored vehicles, troops, and humanitarian cargo. But what will make her truly unique is the planned integration of enhanced electronic warfare and command systems, transforming her into a command and control hub for future naval operations. Built through a partnership that continues the Philippines' collaboration with Indonesia's PT PAL shipyard, BRP Antonio Luna will measure over 120 meters long and displace more than 11,000 tons. With this size and strength, she will be able to carry hundreds of troops, multiple landing craft units, and critical supplies to remote islands during national emergencies. Beyond her military role, LD-603 will play a vital part in humanitarian and peacekeeping missions. The Philippines, being a nation prone to typhoons and natural disasters, relies on these massive landing dock ships to reach affected areas quickly with food, medicine, and rescue equipment. In times of peace, she will bring hope. In times of war, she will bring strength. Naming her after Antonio Luna is not only a tribute, but a reminder of the kind of discipline and unity the country needs. Luna's vision for a strong, self-reliant Filipino military echoes through this project. His dream, of a nation able to defend its own sovereignty, lives on in steel and armor, in engines and propellers, in the heart of every sailor who will serve aboard her. When BRP Antonio Luna, LD-603, finally sails under the proud blue, red and white of the Philippine flag, it will mark another step forward for the country's maritime defense capabilities. She will not just be a ship. She will be a story in motion, a symbol of courage, honor, and service. The sea awaits her arrival. The nation watches with pride. And when she finally joins the fleet, every wave that touches her hull will carry the spirit of Antonio Luna, fierce, unyielding, and forever Filipino.